Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you English, and today's theme is English subject pronouns. Here is examples: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Definition: subject pronouns, the pronoun that takes the place of the noun at the beginning of the sentence. The subject pronoun tells who does the action of the verb. Subject pronouns divided into forms: singular form and plural form. First person, if it's singular, we use I, and if it's plural, we use, of course, we. Second person, if it's singular, we use you, and the plural form, we use you. Two, if you are 3 or 4 person. Third person, if it's singular, he, she, it, of course. And plural form, we use they. Here is subject pronouns with pictures. I, you, he, she, it. It's, of course, singular form. It, when do we use? It we use for animals. For example, it's a cat, it's a dog. Of course, it we use for things too. For example, it's a book, it's a flower, it's a mobile phone. And the plural form of subject pronouns, we, you, they. Here is simple examples. I am a teacher. You are a shop assistant. She's a housewife. He's an engineer. It's a cat. It's a book. It's a singular form. And the plural form of subject pronouns. Examples. Simple. We are eating it now. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. They are playing football. Another examples. Let me read you. I hear nothing. I want to see you and I will. She looked up and saw the stains on the ceiling. She has short blonde hair. I am too short to reach the top shelf. We are eating meat now. It is delicious. He sang pretty well. He invited his neighbors for the New Year's Eve party. We had a lot of rain last year. We have a lot of ground to cover. They are as poor as can be. Let's choose the correct subject pronoun together. Picture 1. The correct subject pronoun is she because of girl. Picture 2. The correct subject pronoun is he because of man. Picture 3. The correct subject pronoun is it. Why? Because of bus. Picture 4. The correct subject pronoun is you because he shows you. Picture 5. The correct subject pronoun is they. Why they? Because of cats. 2 cats. Picture 6. The correct subject pronoun is I because he's one. And he shows himself. Picture 7. The correct subject pronoun is they because he shows they. And the last one, the correct subject pronoun is we because we shows ourselves. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, share with friends, like, comment. It's time to say goodbye. See you.